How to fix Paylocity app won't let you log in. Let's get started. The very first thing you wanna do is launch your Paylocity app. Now provide all the credentials, company ID, username, password. Ensure everything is correct. You can also recheck it. After you provide all the correct details, you can click on sign in. With that, you'll be logged in. But still, if you are facing the issue, what you can do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. Launch your settings. Navigate to the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forgo this network, give a phrase to start your router and rejoin it. Likewise, you can switch your network. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data, and in the case you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. Then you can check whether you can log in or not. Likewise, what you can do is clear cache for the app. For that, scroll down. Navigate to the option of General, head over to the option of iPhone Storage, find the app Paylocity. After you find it, open it, click on Upload App, then click on Reinstall App. Once completion of reinstallation process, your problem might be fixed. Lastly, what you can do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it, and then you can try to log into your account. For that, click on the option of Delete App. With that, you'll get the pop-up. Click on Delete for the confirmation. Once you delete this app, you can close this, launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Paylocity and download it. By applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. This way, you will be able to log into your account. So this is how you can easily fix Paylocity app won't let you log in. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.